What's up, everybody? So check it out. The owner of the Civic I'm pulling right now, I charged him $100, and guess what he paid me in with? All fives. This is what I was fearing, you know, like this. Fuck, I'm gonna have to save them all. $100 in fives. I was like, bro, you don't have 20s? He's like, nah, bro, look, he pulled out a big ass stack of fives, and he paid me with nothing but fives. So I'm gonna stay committed. I'm gonna do it. We're gonna keep it real. I'm on my way to pick up Christian right now. His wheels weren't ready. They're gonna be ready till Monday. So right now, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna pick him up, and then we're gonna go buy some paint for his kit and for my coupe. I'm already here. He's probably gonna want to go in his man truck, in his baby Tundra. Yep, he's already pulling it out. All right, we here at the paint supply store. You excited to paint your car, bro?
Demonstration, perhaps.
A little bit. No biggie.
Practice swords.
Let the prep begin.
Almost everything's almost prepped.
Yeah? Oh shit, you're almost done.
I was ready. Did a couple things.
Nice.
Take the bumper off. I was gonna be there for like an hour taking the rear bumper off. So we'll do this some other time. They're already going through. They have like.
Oh, they have primary. They're primary already.
Yeah, they're primary.
Nice. So that's good, way. We don't even need that shit, that spray can.
I'll open it.
You all ready? Alright, so what we're doing right now is we're cleaning the parts, making sure all the dust comes off, and then we're gonna primer them and then start painting them. Dale aquí, like this edge, like all the edges, güey, like una pasada nomás, aquí like edges, todo lo que es edge. Like donde está doblado, donde empieza un doblez. Pues ahí es where it flexes and shit, y vale verlo. Ahora eso está grueso. No te pegues tanto, pues. Okay, I'm gonna paint this one right here. Just finished painting all the parts. Smells good, bro. Side skirts, original fenders, the wide body, the fenders, more fenders, Christian, the side skirts, and the front bumper. I'm just gonna wait a couple more minutes and then I'm gonna throw in the clear.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Just finished spraying all the parts. Let me give you guys a sneak peek. Check it out. Oh shit, I still got it. Check out the bumper. Oh shit. Fucking beautiful. Fenders, the flares, check them out. Whoa. Oh shit. We're gonna have to redo this. The bag fucked it up. The bag caught some air, and yeah, it fucked it up. But yeah, the rest of the parts are pretty good. Pretty happy.
Very happy.
You happy, Christian?
Very. It's just all these parts are gonna look good, and the rest of the car's gonna look great.
The rest of the car's gonna look like shit. It's alright, we'll paint the whole car little by little. So yeah, we'll come back tomorrow. Tomorrow you're gonna bring the car, right?
Tomorrow, man.
And we're gonna install them, and then we'll show you guys how it looks. So yeah, we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna call it a night. We're tired. I'm tired. So yeah, peace out.
Peace.